How to install, register, and log into the app. Users can choose the corresponding app based on their geographical region. For users in the United States/Canada, Landbook for users in other countries or regions. Wonderfree iOS users can search and download the respective app on the App Store. Android users can search for the corresponding app on the Google Play Store, search for Landbook in the US, Canada, and Wonderfree in other regions. Download and install it, and then open it to access the login interface. The app registration and login process use the email method. Click on Register in the upper right corner of the login interface. Choose your country or region, enter your email, fill in the received verification code, set a password, and complete the registration. After successfully registering and logging in, the app will display the device list interface. After successfully registering and logging in, the app will display the device list interface. Please note that the selected country during login should match the country selected during registration. How to connect and configure devices. During use, the app requires Bluetooth. Ensure that your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and that the app is allowed to access location information during use. Turn on the energy storage system and use a pin to press and hold the IT hole on the power panel until you hear a beep sound. At this point, the network configuration icon on the LCD screen will start blinking, indicating that the device is in network configuration mode. Simply wait for the app and the energy storage device to successfully configure. How to control your Oukitel energy storage device through the app. First, launch the app Wonderfree and enter the device list interface. Click the plus button in the top right corner and select Detect Nearby Devices. The app will display a list of configurable devices. Click the plus button next to the respective device. Enter the Wi-Fi account and password your portable station is connected to. Click Next and wait for the progress bar to complete loading. After the configuration is successful, the interface will display the product device. Select Finish. Users can also edit the device name and click Save again. Now you can control your Oukitel energy storage device through your mobile phone. Click on the connected device icon to access the main control panel where you will see relevant parameters in the input section. Click on Output in the main control panel to enter the Output Operation panel where you can view the current device's output power and turn the AC/USB/DC output on or off with the OW button. Below the Operation panel, click on Other to enter the Auxiliary Functions page where you can view and control the parameters and functions of your Oukitel energy storage. How to share with family. After the device is successfully connected, the app supports sharing the device with other mobile users by generating a QR code. In the device list, long press the device icon and select Share to generate a QR code. Other users can scan this code to add the device. How to delete an added device. Long press the portable device icon and click Delete to remove the device.